I'll be honest with you, but I'd rather go to work than stay home sometimes because at home I got a lot of work to do. I got laundry to catch up, I gotta pick up after my kids, and I gotta feed their ass, and I gotta cook dinner for my whole family. And the hardest part about cooking dinner is not knowing what to cook sometimes. I be sitting there wanting what to surprise my family with. So tonight I'm gonna surprise them with some crabs. I don't usually buy crabs, y'all, because they're expensive. But at the Asian market right now, it's for $5.99 a pound. I'm getting two. It doesn't matter how many times I cook, y'all. I'm always afraid the oil splash. Them oil splash be hurting sometime. So after I fry the crab and everything, y'all, we're going to go ahead and fry the whole shell. We don't waste nothing, especially if them crabs are expensive. So we're going to go ahead and chop up some garlic. We're going to chop up some onions. You know, a lot of food tastes good with garlic and onion. We're going to make the seasoning with salt, ginger powder. We got mushroom powder, we got some black pepper, we got some pepper flake and some sugar, and let's go and stir it up and save that for later. Add the oil back in the pan, y'all. Put the garlic, put the onions in there, shake it up, and go ahead and put that crab in there, y'all. The only way I can flip these crabs, y'all, because I've done a lot of pedicure these summers and I build up my bicep like that. But they're kind of heavy though. But let's go ahead and, ooh, look at that. That looks bomb right there with the green onions, and you gotta put that fried onion in that crab. And let me see what my daughter think. You know she's loving. Let me try it out real quick. And that's what we have for dinner, y'all. Ooh, loving it. I be